guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a corner bookmark. This is what I'll be teaching you guys today. Here are the measurements for. I'm going to be using poster paper because it is strong, but you can use any type of paper. I also have a cutting tool for the paper, but you don't necessarily need one. It's useful, and you can just cut your paper with scissors. For this project, you're going to need a cutting knife, an X-Acto knife, scissors, a ruler, and that's it. And for this project, you can use any colored duct tape, which I'm using this like bright yellow, and clear tape, which is optional, but it will make if you have it, it will make your projects very strong. Your paper should be about 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches, as I showed you in the measurements. And one of your squares, since you're going to have to cut two, one of your squares is going to be in half, as I'm going to show you right here. Okay, so grab your main color duct tape, and you're going to turn your square so that it is in a diamond shape, and then you're going to cut a duct tape that's from corner to corner of the diamond, but give a little bit more duct tape on the sides, as I'll probably show you here. Then you're going to place it on the on the diamond. So then when you're done with that, you're going to flip over the diamond paper, and then you're going to fold over the extra duct tape on the sides, and then there's going to be a little bit of duct tape by the corner, so you're just going to cut that off. Then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So then when you're done with that, you can clear tape it, which I told you it's optional, but I'm going to clear tape it, and then you're just going to fold over the clear tape if you clear tape yours, and you're going to do that for both sides, and then you're going to use a credit card or something hard to smooth it out so that there is no air bubbles. So now you're going to grab the half cut square, and it's going to be like in a triangle, and you're going to do the same thing as what you did to the other square, and just going to place the duct tape, and then you're going to fold over the sides as well. Then you're going to cut off any of the extra at the bottom. You're also going to clear tape it, which is optional if you have clear tape, and you're going to use that clear tape to connect both the bookmarks. If not, you can just grab another piece of tape, and you're going to do basically what you did with the triangle, and then fold over the extra to the rest of the bookmark. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe, like, comment down below, hit the notification bell. Bye.